Hey all, so here's how you record with ScreenCastOMatic. This is I think there's a free version of this piece of software, but I think if you contact Kathy Schultz that there is a subscription purchased through the school. Either way, download this thing. You might have to create an account if you just want to use the free version. It's not very hard. When you want to get going with it, you just hit record. That brings up this little recorder launcher. It usually comes up in some kind of frame like this. I'm low in my privacy expectations, so I just record everything full screen and the students can see whatever the heck I'm playing with on my desktop, which is fine. Like, I don't care. If you have stuff that you like, future lectures or whatever, notes or answer keys or whatever, you might prefer to keep those kind of things hidden. So then you might record in a smaller screen size. It doesn't really matter for the purposes of this. Once you get it kind of recording, you can see that the mic is bouncing up and down. Oh, you'll note that I'm making this recording using Zoom, which is why you can see my little face over here. If you want to make a recording using ScreenCastOMatic and get your face to show up, you'll need to access your webcam feed, which is kind of nonsense. Just don't. The students won't be able to see you, but also it doesn't matter. So once you've checked that the mic is recording, you just hit record. It gives you this little countdown, and then you can go ahead and launch whatever it is you're playing with. Like there's some Discord. That's Discord. Here's my emails. Usually I try not to have my emails be readily viewed by my students, but whatever. And then when you're done, you can hit pause. If you decide you didn't like a part of the video, like that part where I showed my emails off, you can kind of scroll back to before that and then hit this continue recording at seeked position. Yes, that'll remove the rest of the video. And then you can restart over a part of the video that you didn't like. Zoom doesn't let you do that. So that's one aspect in which this is preferable. If you decide you want to discard the whole thing, you just hit pause and trash it. If you want to preview what the video is like, you can just kind of scroll back and forth on this and it'll feel like it's controlling your desktop, which is kind of wild. So more or less, that's how things work in here. When you're done, you hit done. It'll tell you, or it'll ask you what's next. You can do a little editing in here. I usually just do save and upload, and then save as a video file, tell it what I want to call it, and then upload that recording to YouTube. This thing is a little bit, it's got some more robust sharing than that, so you can just push things straight to YouTube if you want. I'm kind of used to the old way, so that's what I use. Whatever, doesn't matter. But this makes nice, easy recordings of your screen. It highlights your mouse, which is kind of chill. It's pretty effective. I find that students usually like it. I again publish things to YouTube because the students can speed it up so they can watch you at 1 1/4 time or 1 1/2 time, which kind of deals with some of the fumbling that we're all going to be doing as we transition to online teaching. So cool. Hope this helps.